How can I fix a Ninestars trash can lid that won't close?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to tackle an issue that can be frustrating for many, a Ninestars trash can lid that just won't close. This is a common problem that you might face with your automatic trash can, but don't worry. We have a simple step-by-step guide that will help you fix the issue.
What tools will I need?
Before we start, let's gather all the necessary tools. To fix your Ninestars trash can lid, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a soft, clean cloth, some warm soapy water, a can of compressed air. Note: please make sure to disconnect the trash can from any power source before beginning to work on it. Safety first.
What could be the problem?
Now that we have our tools, it's time to determine the possible causes. The lid could be malfunctioning due to several reasons. 1. Sensor issues. The sensor might be dirty or blocked, which prevents it from detecting when it needs to close. 2. Mechanical problems. The lid's mechanism could be jammed or broken. 3. Power issues. The batteries or power connection could be weak or faulty.
How do I clean the sensor?
Firstly, let's focus on cleaning the sensor as it is the most common issue. 1. Remove the lid from the trash can. 2. Clean the sensor area gently with a soft, clean cloth dipped in warm soapy water. 3. Rinse the sensor area with a cloth dampened with clean water. 4. Finally, use compressed air to dry the sensor area completely. Remember to be gentle during the process to avoid damaging the sensor.
What if it's a mechanical problem?
If cleaning the sensor didn't solve the problem, you might be dealing with a mechanical issue. 1. Inspect the hinge and lid area for any signs of physical damage or obstruction. 2. Remove any debris that might be jamming the mechanism. 3. If you see any broken parts, you might need to replace the lid. Contact Ninestars customer service for further help.
What about power issues?
If neither of the above steps worked, the problem might be power related. 1. Check the power connection if your trash can is corded. Make sure it's properly plugged in. 2. If it's a battery-operated model, replace the batteries. And that's how you can fix a Ninestars trash can lid that won't close. We hope this guide was helpful. Remember, if your lid is still not working after trying these steps, it might be best to consult with a professional or reach out to Ninestars customer service for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy DIYing!